BlueLens it's a next-gen intuitive voice AI-powered application, of course, supported by platform Caffeine. The main idea behind this was like me being from a non-technical background, I'm actually a quality assurance professional, where my main focus is always about being safety and being compliant with all the regulations and, of course, being aware of what we are eating, what we are drinking in our day-to-day lives. So it actually triggered my mind that, thinking about the water source, which is vital for everyone. Then I just wanted to know the source of water, like just a random topic. So then I've looked out for websites for information. Then I came across a website. It's very traditional and it's not at all intuitive. I know private websites, they kind of update every once in a while kind of thing. But the public domains kind of, or maybe the government websites are still stuck in the traditional mode. And now we are in 2025 with AI revolutionizing it. So maybe I thought, why don't I try this domain, and through Caffeine, I can build something, really intuitive and next gen to the public. So the first one is the voice AI. So I've used 11 labs. You can select a male voice or a female voice or the style of the AI. And then you copy the code and then you embed into the Caffeine application, and then it gives you the output. And the second thing would be the data. So, a while ago, I think a quarter ago, this Georgia water system had come out. They found it that it's time for them to renovate their platform because they know it's traditional. So that was available in the public. So I grabbed the data and then copied the URLs and posted in something called RAG, which is Retrieval-Augmented Generation. This is with the same 11 labs. So this will generate a widget, which I copied into Caffeine. So this gives a real-time data so that it gives better AI responses, generative responses in the website. And the third one is the UI. So for the UI, I chose Midjourney. When you see the Midjourney app, you'll be astonished to see because it's really vibrant and colorful. They come up with different heart random kind of images as well as short videos. So I selected for something called water with a bit of creative keywords, and then it generated me an image, and I converted it into a video saying that water should, ripple. It should show the ripple effect kind of, or the splash effect. So it generated. So that's how I incorporated that API key as well into Caffeine. And Caffeine supports everything. So at the end of the day, the output, you all know. I started with something basic like, hey, I have this vision in mind. I want to create a basic website. And then going through the process, your website is building. And then on the fly, you get to know, okay, how about I incorporate this feature? Because everyone just gives basic text prompt or maybe just taps, but not voice AI. Because data, as I said, is enormous, right? Instead of clicking each section, getting to know the information, it's just a voice away to ask your question. And this voice AI, it's not just for regular users, it's also for something with limited tech availability or maybe some disabilities kind of thing. Even my mom can click and say, hey, where's the water from? Like basic English is sufficient. She need not know the technical areas or, links, continuous navigations.